Hi guys, it's Rosella 5 again. We got a science experiment. Volcano science experiment. Daddy, come on in. You're supposed to be in the vlog too.
What do you mean, Dad? You mean help you open it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how do we open this thing?
My daddy's helping me. It's so good of your daddy helping. Always ask for grown-up help. And I really like this experiment. Is this the additive? I think this is supposed to be your... Oh! We have a bigger one.
That's the volcano.
Actually, then I figured out to put in the right order instead of this way. Put in the right order. Look, now it's a big volcano. And,
What else do you have?
and there's a water thing.
It's
You
a
have-
syringe.
And let's put water in here. A little bit of water. And then pour and explosion. That's how I put
Here's your glasses.
What are your glasses?
Always safety first. Now we have to put water in that cup.
And the door sign.
I really filled it up with water. And here it is. I have to have 1 spoon of baking soda. Oh, that's all.
Okay.
Okay, now you take the syringe. Listen to me. You put it in here and you pull it out and you get vinegar.
No, is it
Okay,
full?
now are you forgetting something? What do you got to have first?
The safety glasses.
You forgot. Safety glass. Safety
Safety
first.
first.
And
Now we're gonna put the vinegar and the baking soda and then make it explode.
Whoa!
Now let's do a different one with color. Wow! I touched it. It's like we're making a shot out of these volcanoes. Yeah, I want to make food colors. I'm doing again the baking soda. This is orange food coloring
And what?
Vinegar.
and vinegar.
It says explode.
Orange. That volcano doesn't have to fall with it. See, I touched it. Oh, shoot. They're a little bit trying to slide off of it. Just got it first. Here.
Oh, that's better.
Let's get some more water, and then I'll just
That's
put...
not water. It's
That's
vinegar.
not water. Remember, we used vinegar.
Here.
Let's
Here.
get some vinegar.
Smell
That
this.
is vinegar.
See, that's vinegar. That's not water.
You don't
honey.
like
It
the
looks
smell
like
of
water, but it's
vinegar?
vinegar.
Could you get some more water or vinegar? Or else there's just...
Be careful.
Oh, sorry. There we go.
Hold on.
It keeps being orange. Now I already got it filled up. I get it orange.
A volcano eruption.
A volcano eruption.
There's nothing there.
Now vlog, we're gonna make a red volcano. First the baking soda. And then we put the food color. Now, we're gonna put some of this in here. Now, we are gonna do this. Ooh. Look at that. This looks pink. It's so cute. Look at that. It looks so funny.
Why? It's red.
Red is so good for girls. Look. Now I'm gonna do another tag. Oh. I like it. Oh, just look. Red is favorite colors. Let's make more tags. Safety first.
No. What do you put in the volcano first?
Always we put in the volcano baking soda. Now we're gonna make a green one. Hi guys, we're gonna now do is get some more vinegar or baking soda.
Soda.
It's so fun steering because really steers, and I got this in here.
What is that?
Yeah. That's all.
Okay.
The experiments are messy, and
You're missing something?
we are really, really liking this because watch. Squid! It went on here.
That is good. Green volcano.
I never saw green lava.
Well, you got the first green lava.
Shh. Well, Daddy's gone.
That's because a leprechaun fell in the volcano.
A leprechaun fell in the volcano.
That's everything green.
That I like.
See, Adley caught a volcano in their bathroom. You got your leprechaun and your volcano.
Look at the baking soda right there, just standing. I'm gonna make it. I can't do anything. I just stand here. Oh.
Lava's green.
A leprechaun fell in it. The leprechaun fell in the sky and dropped in there. More. We put it more in. It can't be checked. Wow, look at that. It's so green. It's like green.
It's so bubbly.
I'm making tracks for that side too. Let me see if that tracks over
Oh,
there.
you didn't get any.
Look, the tracks are working. Okay. We're washing that vinegar off. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, and then I drink one of the bubbles.
You drink volcano bubbles?
No. Remember, we don't drink this. It's getting more lighter. Now let's just put a little bit more vinegar.
The lid is on.
What would that color make? Yellow.
No, it's making it's like brown.
Well, it looks like yellow. Brown. Brown yellow, huh?
It's brownish yellow. So we'll see. Now
It
mix.
looks orange now. And I got some of the needles. The needles are looking orange. So. Oh, I squirted the needles.
Whoa.
Okay. Now let's put a little more making baking soda.
Making baking soda? Is it making baking soda? Are you getting confused?
Yeah, I'm getting confused. Oh.
What are little girls made out of?
Sugar, sweet, and everything nice. That's what girls are made of.
Sugar and spice and everything nice. Just like what your shirt say.
The vinegar, that baking soda was looking for me. But it's exploded.
Ooh, it's your volcano erupted.
Now, Daddy, could you get some more baking soda?
Baking soda?
Vinegar. Baking
You
soda.
get some more what?
More baking
Mm.
I told you it's so much fun.
More vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what am I?
And food color. And more
Orange.
and add more baking soda.
And we're gonna put green in it.
More baking soda. Oh, you're gonna. What
Mix
color
it.
will that be? Brown.
Brown, green. Brown, green.
You forgot to stir.
I thought that was the steering. Oh, look. Dark green.
What's
What
first?
is it? Oh. Put the baking soda in. Put the vinegar in.
Ah.
Let's see if it's dark green. Dark
Whoa.
green.
It looks like olive. That's olive green.
Oh. I thought the dog at Adley's was called Olive. Olive green. Olive green. I'm like, dude.
You missed it. How can you miss that? That's a big one. Mm-mm.
I'm gonna go away and feel frozen. Oh no! Look out! Just go.
Now look.
Now it's orange. How did it turn orange?
Because of the color that you have under the cup.
Oh, I just make some more. Let's make some more. They're orangey. Look at it. Look orangey. And then green, huh?
I don't know.
I don't know what it makes. Oh, it's love you.
It's a diarrhea volcano.
There's something wrong with the volcano.
Maybe you ate something bad.
I do this. Look at this. Ah! It's on me. Watch. Watch this. Watch this. Yeah, I got it.
Don't play in doo-doo.
Did you use all our vinegar?
No. That's my explosives. That's my explosives video. Thanks for watching. Bye.